Hi, welcome back guys. Today I am going to do the second assignment for the course Technical Support Fundamentals offered by Coursera. Week 3 assignment, graded external tuned assignment. In this video I am going to create a folder with Linux. In the first video some days back I did how to create a folder with Windows, and this Linux you need not to install Linux on anything in your system. This means you are going to connect the external system, remote system, and you will do the program. So for this lab you want putty and some ppk file. So how those all things are, let me do with lab practically. So I am opening here, and here every instruction is given. Please go through that without skipping the video so you can do it. And if you will find my video helpful, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friend also, so they will also get some help. So here the tools is opening. I have some network issue, I hope so. The reason this is taking a long time. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so now this is the thing I have to do. Because 60 minutes, this is 60-minute lab, so I have to do it, and I have to complete in 60 minutes. Still I have the network issue. Let me refresh it. I am facing network issue right now. Sorry for that. Must have the people are requesting me for this video, that's why when I am facing the network issue I am completing this. So here, okay, now you can see here, and click here and open tools. So it will open the tools, and now you can see here my lab is started, already started. Oh, earlier I had tried. Okay, that's why the lab is started. I will download this ppk file. You have to download the same way. Okay, download completed. And now what are the things I have to do? So already IP address and external we have, virtual machine, okay, and this downloaded, we have completed this download, and putty from here you can download. So putty I am going to download. This putty help you to connect the remote system, like remote desktop wizard we used to connect the remote Windows system, like that we are going to use. And after that I have to run this. So putty I have to run this, and I will go for the location of file, and I will run as admin, where it is X. So run as admin. Okay, it may take some little time. Okay, run anyway, and okay, done. So here in what format, username at the rate, and external means IP address I have to put there. Okay, so this is the thing, and at the rate, and what is this is IP address. So using IP address, okay, pasted, SSH done. And I have to, here in instruction you can clearly see that I have to go and upload ppk file. So how to upload? Go to cat area, connection, and SSH, and there is browse, some browse will be there, SSH, okay, okay, and authorization. In authorization there is browse. In browse I have to go and select that ppk file, open, and here from here what I have to click, open button. Okay, so open button. Okay, and now I have to click yes to connect it. So now I have successfully connected to the remote system. So now I will create the folder and my task will complete. So how to create, every instruction is given. Okay, so let me show you how to create in Linux. And download ppm, like that they are showing those all commands. No need to download, even without download we can create ppm. We need not to download, we need not to make this host everything, just simply we can create this folder. So how to create, I will copy this and I will just paste it here. Okay, and enter it. So this is the folder created. I will check my progress. Okay, so folder creation is done, and after within some time you will see this. You now it is showing that I have got scored out 10 of 10. So this way you can complete this lab, and you can end this, and I will go and show you the lab is completed or not. So you can verify it. You have to rate it. You like some excellent something, you can write here as your race. That is just feedback. So now I will refresh it. Okay, sorry. Okay. So I will refresh it. After that it must be pick with green. Okay, you can, I will go back and you can see here this is completed, successfully completed. Even it is showing red because I have not refreshed it. So once I will refresh it, it will again come with the green. So this is the entire thing, how to create one file in Linux system, folder in Linux system. So this is completed, and I hope this is helpful to you. So please subscribe the channel and also hit on bell, so you will get update of my video, educational video, and you also share this video with friends so they will get some help. So thanks again. Please stay inside home and stay safe with your family.